Hello, welcome to Cooking Mistress. Today we are going to be learning how to make sugar sprinkles for our cookies, cakes, donuts. We start by weighing half cup of white sugar into 4 different bowls because we are doing 4 types of sugar sprinkles today: green, gold, red, brown. Then we bring our colors forward. We just need a little quantity of the color paste, which is green. We're starting with green and drop of water. Then we mix it thoroughly to be a liquid form. If you are using liquid food color, you don't need to mix it with water anymore. The reason why we are mixing it with water is to get uniformity of color all through the white sugar. Once you are done mixing and getting a liquid color, you take one of the bowls of the white sugar and start with 2 drops. Then you mix thoroughly. For better even spread, you can pour it into a Ziploc bag and massage with your hand, but I will use hand gloves to have a better access to the white sugar. So I will now massage the drops properly into the white sugar. At the end of this clip, I will show you how I use these sugar sprinkles in decorating my favorite cookies for Christmas. Just show you a sneak peek into it. We keep massaging till there's even spread of color, just the way this green is, even spread. We do the same for all the colors, the gold, the brown, but for the red, we have a little bit of tweak to it. That is because we want to make it a bit deeper and a rich red. So we won't just use only the red color paste, but we'll add a bit of brown. If you want to make any color a bit deep and rich, just add a little drop of brown to it. I just added a little drop of brown to the red. Now I'm mixing both together. I keep mixing till I can have both colors incorporated into each other. Now I'm adding the color into the white sugar. I'm massaging it just the way I did the other 2 colors. Just keep massaging it into the white sugar till everything you see is red. I love to always create things from the scratch. We're almost done. Now you see the color. So the gold, our 4 colors are ready. Once you have done this, the next thing is to spread it on a tray to dry. It needs to dry properly. Before you package into an airtight container till you are ready to use it. But we will be making use of this in our next video, Christmas cookies. Now we're spreading it on individual trays. Then we'll rest it on the work table to dry. You will know when it is dry. When you feel it, you can't feel any wetness, no moist. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and give us a like so that you can always have updates on every post. Now it has been laid out to dry. It takes roughly 15 to 20 minutes. Now the sneak peek into the next video. Thank you.